pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers. Cheap East Bridgewater, local and long distance. Movers near me. 3 Movers is the perfect local moving company to hire for your move. When you hire us to handle your move, you should know that you'll have a more enjoyable move than you expect. Moving long or short distances is filled with so many hassles, and to make sure you enjoy your move to East Bridgewater, you have to employ a local moving company like 3 Movers. When you hire us for your move, you should know that we will make sure your move is a total success and is as enjoyable as possible. This would mean that you don't have to worry about any form of stress when you hire 3 Movers for your local distance move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our East Bridgewater moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.